In my last video, Java concurrency example loads arc with multithreading part 3. We fixed the concurrent modification exception. In this video, we will try to fix the duplicate contents in the loaded arc collection. So let's get started. We start from this code, copy it to Eclipse. And fix the import, fix the package, and run it. Okay, this is what we left from last time. And the main thread loaded 19, and helper thread loaded 8. But totally we only have 26 candidates. We intentionally have an equal sign, so we have duplicate in the loading. And let's see if the loaded arc has 26 or 27 eventually. Let's put a breakpoint at the end of the loop. It's here before it returns. We put a breakpoint here. We put a breakpoint here, and let's run the debugger. Okay, yes. Main thread start, and it starts the helper. Okay, and we have two threads. The helper is at the returned pairs, and let's check the stack trace variables. Okay, this arc. Okay, arc is here. Let's check loaded animals. This is what we care. At this point, we have this map, and what's the size? We have 8 loaded by the thread. Now let's go back to the main and let it run to the breakpoint. Okay, the main also loaded. So totally, it should loaded 8. Let's see what's the size of the arc. Let's check the loaded animals and the map. So it's totally have 27. Something is wrong. We should only have 26 because we have only 26 species. Now it's have 27. This is not a work-as design. Let's have it run to finish. Let's take a look at the program. Here the add is add to the loaded animals. Loaded animal is a hash set. So hash set takes a AnimalPair as an element. So let's go to the AnimalPair. So AnimalPair didn't override the equal or hashCode. So whenever the hash set trying to tell if two elements are the same, they use the object is equal method. That means the two object only be equal when they are the same object. And we probably want the logical equality. We only care about what the species this pair is. So let's write this equals method. Override public boolean equals. Okay, and if O instance of AnimalPair it is not an instance of AnimalPair, we immediately return false. Then we tear if let's first cast AnimalPair. Let's first cast the object to the AnimalPair. Okay. So we return O1 species, AP 1 species compared to this one species. Okay. Only when they are equal, then we return true, otherwise we return false. Since we override equals, we also need to override the hashCode. So whenever two objects are equal, their hashCode have to be equal. So in this case, the only thing we care about is their species. So we only need the hashCode of the species. That's a logical equal. And let's go back and run this program. Okay, it started. Have the helper start. So that's the main thread run to the breakpoint, and that's the helper also run to the breakpoint. No, we just let's run it again. I just press run button. Okay. Have to run to the breakpoint. It's already in the breakpoint. So at this point, we can check the arc since both the main and the helper already loaded. Let's check the arc. Loaded animal map. And now it's 26 because we already overrided the equals and hashCode. So we, instead of treat each animal pair as unique, we now use a logical equal. Only care about the species. And so this way we fixed the hash set. And let's run the program to finish. Okay. Another way of fixing this is not override the inherited methods from the object class. Instead, we don't intentionally have that equal here, so they didn't have the duplicated candidates at the first place. As a result, they shouldn't have a duplicate at the end. This is one way we have the user to make sure there's no duplicate, but allow the animal pairs have duplicates. Let's run the program again. Have it run to the breakpoint. Okay, now the thread is in the breakpoint, and the main thread is also at the breakpoint. And let's check. The map have size 26. Okay, we are all good. We have 26 of animals on the arc at the end of the loading. And let's run it to finish. Okay. This time, since they don't have duplicate candidates, this one loads the main set 18, the helper 8, so totally 26. We don't have duplicate. And as a result, the arc don't have duplicates. And that's the topic of this section.